Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be exploring conditional statements in C++. So let's get started. Let's first open our online compiler, and here first of all let's write hash include IO stream using namespace std, and then we'll create int main, the main function, and inside curly brackets we'll be writing to check condition. Now conditional statements are used to check conditions. So in this video, we'll be creating a voting eligibility checker in C++ to check conditions. So for voting eligibility checker, what should be our first condition? Our first condition should be that a person's age should be at least 18. That means greater than or equal to 18. Then he or she is eligible to vote. If a person's age is less than 18, then they are not eligible to vote. And what if a person enters an invalid age, like -1, -50? Our system will throw an error or throw a message to the user that kindly enter a valid age. So first of all, I'll write a greeting message like welcome to voting eligibility checker. So I'll write cout, welcome to voting eligibility checker. Then I'll create a variable called age of integer data type. And here I'll write cout. I'll print a message to enter the age. So I'll write cout, enter age, and then I'll see in age. Let me give an END in the first line just to ensure better readability. And here we'll write our conditional statement. So in order to start our conditional statement, we have to write if, and then inside bracket we'll write our condition. So our condition is that age should be greater than or equal to 18. Then open curly brackets. Inside curly brackets, I'll write if a person's age is at least 18, then print cout. Congratulations, you are eligible to vote. Now we need to also specify what if a person enters an invalid age. We have to also write that if a person's age is less than 18, they are not eligible, they are ineligible to vote. But there's one more condition, which is that in order to specify multiple conditions, we use else if. So I'll write else if, and inside bracket I'll write age is less than 0. The inside curly bracket cout, kindly enter a valid age. Now to write if the age is less than 18, I'll simply write else. Now why am I not specifying condition? I'm simply writing else is because this else is directly dependent on if. That means our if is age greater than or equal to 18. So else statement will directly take its opposite. That means if age is less than 18, the system will automatically understand it. So that's why we'll only write else. So if it's less than 18, I'll print sorry, you are not eligible to vote. And now if I run the program, it might take some time to run. As you can see, now it has run the program. It's first printing the greeting message, and then it's asking me to enter my age. I'm going to enter my age. As you can see, since it's below 18, it shows sorry, you are not eligible to vote. So this is so I've entered this. It shows sorry, you are not eligible to vote. Now if I clear and rerun my code, and if I enter random age which is above 18, let's take it 19, or let's just type 18 because our condition was greater than or equal to 18. So let's check if the system is accepting 18. As you can see, when I enter 18, it shows congratulations, you are eligible to vote. That means this condition is also working, else is also working. Now let's test else if. Let me enter an age which is below 0. So let me enter minus 50. As you can see, as soon as I hit enter, it shows kindly enter valid age. That means our condition is working perfectly. So that's a wrap for this video. Now before concluding, I would like to give you a challenge question. The challenge question is that create a driving license eligibility checker in C++ and then paste the code in the comment section below. I'll be reviewing the code. Now the condition would be exactly the same: age greater than or equal to 18, age less than 0, and then else. So this condition would be exactly the same. Now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like it. Thank you for watching.